Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Leos. And this reading will resonate for your sun, moon, and rising signs, guys. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Leos. If you want more clarity, Leos, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have Nine of Air, Seven of Earth, and Page of Air. So, in your circumstances, Leos, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you want to change the way things are going, guys. Maybe the outside circumstances may not change, but you can change yourself. That is what you feel. So you are trying to change yourself, trying to be more positive, having that hope and faith for a better future, planning things, planning your goals and dreams and your life. So, all that negative things that happen, maybe the past, whatever you are telling yourself, speaking negatively, whatever it is, you are trying to change all that, guys. Shift from that negativity and feel positive and face your circumstances cheerfully, confidently. And Leos, you are someone who is a very dedicated person. So, whatever you take up, maybe in your work, whatever you decide and plan, you stand by those decisions, and you are someone really responsible. And that may be the reason you have your concentration and focus in whatever you do. So, you are doing your best no matter what your situation is, guys. So maybe you may have your intuition telling you what should be done today, something telling you what you need to do or how to handle your circumstances. So you see clarity and you are a person of action. So, your dreams and goals, whatever it is, you are thinking and planning ahead for you guys, for your life. And even in this relationship, maybe you are at that crossroad making some important decision. So, what needs to be done, which way to go, or what to do, you are thinking within yourself. Maybe you want this connection, maybe you are planning this future with this person, or maybe you want to stay back, take a break. Whatever it is, you are thinking and planning. And it may be your plan even in your work situation, guys. So, some kind of you are making that important choice today in your life, Leos, in your work or in your relationship. And for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is tough. So this is a positive card here, guys. So it just means that you can have faith, rest assured that your future is going to hold a lot of opportunities for you. All your dreams and plans are going to succeed, guys. Leos, you can be happy for that, and you can have faith in your future, faith in positive changes, happiness and success in your future, and you are seeing that new beginning right now in your life. So you may see positive changes. That was what we were talking about. You are trying to change yourself. So it has already begun, guys, in your life. So even in this relationship, you are going to feel more connected to this person. You will feel more cheerful, happy, and inspired when you are with them. And inspiration is overwhelming you. Maybe this person is the reason for your inspiration, or you are the reason for their inspiration. So, something positive is coming towards you, Leos, in this relationship. Positive changes, that is what I see. So, for your career circumstance, guys, we have 10 of air. So, maybe there may be some delays or something may not work in your work situation. You may see something going out of hand. Maybe you have worked hard, did your best, but these changes are something good. It is giving way for something even much more better than your present. So you can have hope for a better beginning in your future, guys. That was the energy even with your relationship. So huge positive changes for a better future. That is what is happening in your life today, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, Leos, please watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Dawn the Golden Hat. Duty. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your life, you are someone really responsible and you are a very wise and a very charming person, and you have certain things you need to do today. Maybe it may be in your work or in your relationship, and you are dedicated to whatever you do. But people around you, they may not realize your worth, they may not understand you, but the way you are responsible, or your dedication itself will be recognized very soon, guys. And patience is what is needed. Maybe you find yourself in a difficult circumstance, unable to be responsible, and circumstances may be challenging you, but patience is what will work for you, guys. And there is a time of recognition coming and you will surely be rewarded. And maybe for this love you have on someone, you are doing things, facing a lot of challenges and going out of the way and helping that person. Maybe they may not realize your worth, they may not realize your help right now, but true love will find its time, guys. So surely this person will understand you. Maybe even if it is not true love, you will get that true love in your life. Maybe with this person you may not feel that fulfillment and contentment. Maybe for some of you, you will this relationship, maybe if you have that true love on this person, even they will reciprocate that true love, guys, and that time is coming very soon. But for some of you, if you are single, if you are expecting a new person, true love is finding you, and that is That is a definite thing, guys, because you are someone who is responsible and who has that sense of duty, and all your good actions will always be rewarded no matter what, guys, what the circumstances will be. So that um, recognition, the time of recognition and success is coming to you very soon, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Celestite. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, angels or spirit guides are here to help you and support you, and they are here to help you connect with people. Maybe you are shunning away from relationship, maybe um, and you are just feeling scared, or you are not ready to face some challenges today. But these spirits or angel spirits or spirit guides are helping you, guiding you today, guys. And maybe there will be these spirit guides are coming in the form of perfect guides or friends who are helping you to heal from the past or whatever difficulty you are having. And you need not isolate yourself, you just need to stretch out to that friendship you are seeing today. Maybe some strangers or some people may come out of the way, ready to guide you in certain things, help you out, and you need to understand that these people are people sent by the universe or spirit guides, and they are here to help you and guide you in some way in your relationship, to enhance your relationship. And maybe if you want a true change, or if you want a help from the universe or this crystal spirit, you can just pray within your hearts, guys. Pray towards that spirit, asking for help and guidance, and that way you will have that answer, or some kind of an intuition will be guiding you. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.